Hey everyone,
I'm Javon.
and I'm Kayla.
And welcome to our channel,
Lee Fam Reacts.
Alright, you guys, today we are bringing you Chainsaw Man episode 12.
The last one.
Last episode.
What's it called? What's the name?
It's called Katana versus Chainsaw.
Katana.
Finish him!
Katana versus who? I'm sorry.
Chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Okay.
So clearly a Dingy versus old boy rematch.
Yeah.
Hopefully he kills him here, because I highly doubt they're going to kill Dingy on the last episode.
Yeah.
Especially if there's more.
I hope there's more. There has to be more. There's more. I'm calling it.
I know there's more. I'm just saying I don't think a season 2 has been announced. At least that I've heard. So yeah, I think we're gonna get to see Aki's new power.
With the future. Isn't that this? It's the same devil he had a contract with, though, isn't it? Or is it a different one?
Ooh, Aki?
Aki's.
No, he had the dog.
Right.
And
Which
then
is
he
gone.
had the cursed one with the nail sword. Remember where he stabbed somebody and the curse popped up with like with the bone?
Yeah. So those are just gone.
No, he probably still has them.
He has them. Oh, he has them, but that's what they said, that they most likely won't trust him to come back out again.
No, they said the dog wouldn't want it.
Right. What about the other one?
Well, remember the cursed one? He was like, "How long do I have left?" And it was like 2 years. So, but we're gonna see where this episode goes. Hopefully the blonde chick, hopefully she dies. Hopefully the Katana dude dies. Because I don't like any of them.
I know, they killed Himeno.
Yeah. Don't forget to check out our Patreon, you guys. We have full length and early reactions over there. We're gonna leave a link in the description. Support and show some love. All right, let's get into it.
Thank you for your patronage.
It was him. It was pounding. Then pass out? Oh.
Looks good.
Say, anime food always looks good.
Yeah. Aki went on to smoke for the rest of his life.
Is it the cigarette?
You smart.
I don't know.
No, you're probably right, is what I'm saying. Good guess.
I may cry. Oh my god!
Dang. So, like, is it the devil doing that? Or is that,
I'm crying.
like, her last... You know? Or what if she arranged it with the...
With the devil?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And he's not scared of it.
Oh god, I'm choking back tears right now. I got the biggest lump in my throat.
Dang, she came through. Dang. That was cool. I like that.
Himeno. Okay, get it together, Kayla.
Dang.
Yeah.
Just like, why it's just happened.
Ooh! Ooh, that got me.
Oh, it's the two,
I'm in
oh, it's She crept up on her. Dang.
Yo.
She straight silent. Real G's moving silence. Try to get paid. I got rent due. Denji got them Deku shoes on.
She kept the zombie arm.
What the dog doing?
Ew.
I was gonna say probably to eat.
Yeah, ew.
Yeah, rotten. With their new smart fighting. Yeah, for real. I'll be back up when you're done.
She's trying to make up for the time she ran away.
Oh, he kept going up. He's like, oh.
Oh, this is where he's gonna fight, homeboy.
Yeah, the rematch. I feel like it's always our neighbor, too.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Bag. Intro. No? No intro?
Last episode. No minutes wasted.
Woo! Well, who's ahead?
Smart fighting, smart fighting.
He's coming. Ooh, he's coming for blood. He ain't hold back.
Come on, Denji. Where's all that training?
Yeah, training.
Come
Yeah, but it's.
on, Denji. You know that move. You've seen it.
No, you didn't see it last
You're
time.
gonna do it again.
Well, so much for that rematch. Yes, sir. Locked. Did you get him this time? Shoulder. Oh! Oh!
Is power gonna come?
For some backup?
Yeah.
Maybe. Hmm? Oh! What? What the heck? Oh, he got out of his foot.
Is that a new? That's
Yeah.
a new chainsaw.
Yeah.
That's a level up.
Dang.
He can regenerate though, right? Or is he dead?
Well, remember the blonde chick said that if he dies, he can just revive. I don't know if she revives him or if that's just something he can do. Which would be OP. That was the quickest rematch ever.
Come on. Avenge her.
Bringing it back to the first episode.
What a good guy. Yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
Akima's watching.
She had a crab leg.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, just hear those sleigh bells ringing, ding, 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 ding. It's our requiem for you. It's like Hunter x Hunter.
Mm-hmm.
Move up. Years. That's right, they captured her.
They don't know why they want Denji's heart.
She might not know.
Yeah.
Oh, she had snake killers. Wow. Dang. True.
Wow.
So we're not going to see the good bill. Oh.
See, I told you.
North. Oh, you just ain't going to tell me?
South. Told you that's what was gonna happen.
Well, it's still
They're
a lot.
gonna know what way to go.
There's a lot left.
Is there?
Some time left, yeah.
Oh.
3 minutes.
Uh-oh. I don't like that.
What?
That there's 3. I feel like something's gonna happen.
No, we're going to end on a happy note.
I hope so. Is he gonna smoke it? No. Is he?
Maybe. Maybe
Maybe.
that'll be his last cigarette.
His last, like,
Smoke.
see you later to her. I feel like I'd keep it. I feel like I'd want to keep it. Yep, he's gonna smoke it. What if that's his last cigarette ever?
That's what I was saying.
I could see that happening, but I'm scared. Something's gonna happen. Is he dreaming? He's dreaming.
Didn't you?
Yeah.
Is this from the very beginning? This was from the very beginning, like the very first episode. Remember he had the dream before and he woke up with Pochita?
It right outside that window.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Neighbor just decides to cut.
He ain't weed whipping his grass. He's weed whipping the fence.
Oh no. Why? What happens if he opens that door? That's what happened. Jeez. Mhm.
Country
New-
mouse.
New recruit? Wait, who was that? That was somebody new.
Yeah. But now we don't know who it is. And there's no season 2 announced.
Alright, you guys, that was the last episode of Chainsaw Man. Interesting anime overall.
I like it. So
I like
far.
it too.
I do. I like it. I feel like it's.
My neighbor is going ham with this
Yeah.
new rap. Oh my goodness. Ugh, this is why we need the new setup.
Yeah.
Because right now we're sitting in our kitchen and there's literally windows, you know, left and
Our
right.
slider door. We have a window there. Our bathroom window's literally right there.
So we literally hear everything right now.
It's great.
But no, I enjoyed it overall. So at least we know which direction. They didn't say to us, but they know the direction that the Gundam is in.
Right. Which I
Or they
predicted.
can
I
kinda
said they
track.
may not know where he is, but they're gonna know where to find him.
Yeah.
You know, broad sense of what
They don't
I
know
said.
where he is, but they know where to find him.
They know where to go, okay? Somewhere along the line. Kind of. They'll get there. Hopefully one day.
But that was touching for the last, the easy revenge smoke. It did. Well,
I knew it. They're not going to cut back to that flashback. Emphasis on the cigarette.
Yeah.
And not have that in the ghost's hand.
Yeah.
If they didn't have the cigarette, I'd be disappointed.
Yeah.
It'd be a missed opportunity.
And then his dream that he keeps having, Pochito was like, hey, don't ever open this door.
I'm curious as to why.
What though?
I wonder if, I don't know, I wonder if his like human self will like be completely gone.
Yeah, because remember like,
if he opens that door.
Well, remember an episode or two ago, he was like, did I like lose my human feelings?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, like he's questioning already like the human senses that he still has, if he has any left, you know? So I feel like that would be my guess, if I had to take a guess right now, is if he opens that door, every human aspect of him would go.
I don't know. Either that or just like, I don't know, something sinister behind it.
Maybe. There's
something sinister. Pochita made a contract with a different devil.
You never know.
And then at the very end, we had I'm assuming it was a girl, a new character, black-haired girl, asking Denji some questions. But
I don't know.
pretty sure it was a new person that we haven't met
Well,
yet.
there's obviously a manga for this, right?
Oh, yeah.
And if there's a season 2 manga.
I don't really think they do manga in seasons. I mean, it comes out in volumes.
Oh, okay. Well, volume 2.
There's definitely more. I
Like
know
animation.
I know there's more out. I just don't
I'm really hopeful.
I don't think Mappa has confirmed season 2.
They need to.
So, but like I said, let us know in the comments if they did. I just missed it.
We're rambling.
We are rambling. But yeah, great episode, great anime, you guys. We enjoyed it. Can't wait for season 2 to come out. All right, you guys, make sure you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss out when our reactions drop next. Until then, Lee fam, see you at the next reaction.